States and across much of the country, there is a critical shortage of those N95 masks used for protection by healthcare workers and first responders. We learned late today that the state of Missouri has spent $10 million to buy more than 4 million of those masks.
We expect to take delivery at our state warehouse over the next few weeks, and we have our logistics team and a distribution plan ready to go.
But there is an immediate need for these masks. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar spoke with doctors, nurses, and first responders on the front lines. Leslie is in Olathe, where EMS crews are actually asking the public for homemade ones.
Right now, Johnson County MedAct is taking donations in these buckets as a precaution. They're not out of masks yet, but they've been on back order since January. And with the rising number of COVID-19 cases, they want to be prepared. Across the country, face masks are hard to come by, and it's not just the N95 grade ones that filter tiny airborne particles. It's regular surgical masks as well.
And these are used every day in hospitals as well as on our ambulances during normal flu season times. This is a general precaution to have this on.
With these on back order,
we are asking for help.
Johnson County MedAct is asking the community to get crafty and make cloth masks like this at home.
These are not meant to be what we would use every day. This is just in case we have to use last resort.
The CDC echoes that last resort sentiment, saying homemade masks should ideally be used in combination with a face shield. Dr. Michelle Lemberger is on it.
The whole nose and seal pretty well as the cheek and under the chin.
The Centerpoint Medical Center OBGYN is making 3-layer cloth masks for her colleagues. They're not as protective as N95 masks.
By themselves, these are far from ideal, but many of us feel like something is better than nothing if we get into a crisis situation.
The middle layer is a thick batting used in quilts. She's using ribbon instead of elastic, which is out at many fabric stores right now. We met Elaine Blackmer outside Joann's Fabrics.
Well, I got a text from a friend earlier and said that she could use some mask for her husband.
She'll have to get creative with supplies she has at home since the store is closed. But she's willing to use her sewing machine to help fight the pandemic in any way she can. Dr. Limberger's masks are machine washable. It takes her about 20 minutes to make one of these. She got the pattern for it for free online. We'll post the link to that pattern in this story on our website, kctv5.com. Reporting in Olathe, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.